So we just made it to Yosemite Falls. Look at that. The hiking crew. Is it me or did it get a little warmer?
It's you.
Really? Yeah. Say what's up, guys. It's not too far. Some people are coming. 15 minutes in, we already took 2 breaks. I was. Right now I'm filming you guys. First one of the day. Don't know what kind of snake that is, but we'll leave it alone. I guess we'll keep going. There it is. Doesn't look like a nice one. You have hiking sticks. Have a torn meniscus. It's helpful. It's got a long way to go. How long were we? 45 minutes in?
30 minutes.
Barely. Oh my goodness.
Way faster than last time I did it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we still got a little in.
Yeah.
About 3 more hours.
Mom took a lot of breaks.
About 3 more hours. But the view is already looking
Right,
really nice. A few breaks after. And we still need to go up that little peak.
Take that picture, Katie.
I am.
Half dome.
Half dome. Just a rock, I guess.
Dropped their hat and was like, nope. There's a couple dropped hats.
Look.
See them all down there?
It's my honey. I honestly keep forgetting that I have my GoPro. I have it strapped to this right here. But we have a little stream coming down through the rocks. Look at how pretty that looks. The view. Some of the people hiking. Whoa. I did not do all of that work to see this one. We could have just hosed down Mimi's house. Whoa. One thing about this hike that I don't really like, the stairs and going up. It is hard. Oy. Let's go.
Worse than the Stairmaster, Katie.
Yeah.
Stairmaster 2000.
These glutes better come through. These non-existent glutes should come through sometime. So we're just about to approach Lower Yosemite Falls. No?
This is the bottom part of Upper Falls.
The bottom part of Upper. Look at how beautiful. It's a little tricky because you gotta really watch your step because your eyes want to be on that. Just look at that. It's so beautiful. We're gonna stop here soon and have a sandwich. Sandwich. Ooh, like I mentioned earlier. Oh, how beautiful. We still gotta go up all the way over there. Just wow.
Going up to that point. That's high.
That is really high. I am. So this was on the hike. We're stopping by for some water coming down the fall. Wow. The fall's right behind this rock right there. But come a long way. But we still got a long way. Everyone's just freshening up. Okay. Super pretty. Super windy. And when the wind comes, we practically all get wet because it's super windy.
So high.
Sitting on the little edge. You're ugly.
Behind the scenes.
Except for her and I. Oh, girl. Brother. You. Just beautiful. We'll be heading out in like 30 minutes. We're going to take a nap because they are napping. We are now on our way down. My brother and Ugo are over there. We're here. I've fallen down like 3 times. I got my cane, I got my brace. But now, just look at that view. Yes. I can't believe we were literally just up there. Like, wow. That's crazy. Well, we'll see ya.
Of course. Sorry, we got ugly Hugo in the front of us.
What?
Ever. Got Keyri.
Oh, yeah.
Buena. ¿Cómo estás? Pendeja.
Hey! My knee hurts. Real bad.
We are, wow.
Let's move aside, move aside.
Pretty cool. Here you go. Here you go.
Well, we are about 3 hours in going down, and we still have a while to go. Maybe like what, 30 minutes? Okay, which would be about an hour. Look at these ugly heads. We're supposed to go down this road. Ay, ay, ay. I'm not going through that. I have a bad knee. I need to take care of it. Well, just wanted to update you guys. The reservoir party is still somewhere up there. And yeah, this is the roads that we're walking on. This is what we got. Oh, how beautiful. At least the trees are starting to look a little bigger now. More realistic. So that means we're getting close. After 4 hours. 4 hours of hiking down, we are finally seeing the bottom. As you can tell, the trees are actually much bigger. Our sight is different. The party kind of split up because my lovely boyfriend had to go poo and his parents were up. Oh shit, look at the view. It's so pretty. We're at the bottom. We made it. Wow. The trees block it, but as you can see, there's a lot of people camping. There's a lot going on. So we're finally back from the hike. We're setting up. That's my bed. We just took a shower. Nanas, how you feeling? How you feeling, homegirl?
Terrible. I'm exhausted. I feel my legs.
Oh,
If I don't keep walking,
And now it was cool because I was laying on
you guys are funny. Ugo, how's your legs?
We're waiting for what? Me and Jesus were waiting.